Hey people, the video that I just made I had to delete because basically the thumbnail didn't turn out too fine. So right now I have my tiny little cute little 7-year-old with me, and he's telling me that he will do the recording. So Ayush, would you be interested to do the recording? Uh, okay. So actually, like I said in the previous video, like the show that is trending on the #1 spot is this Spanish show called Dark Desire, something like that. Yeah. So it is basically in Spanish, and we can watch the English subtitles and kind of understand. But I have to say, it is a very intriguing show, and that's why it is so surprising that despite being a Spanish show, it is on the #1 spot in the among the shows that are trending in India. I find that very fascinating, So really, people try and catch it. It is on Netflix, and it is a Spanish show. And like I said, I'm very keen to make my videos just 1 minute long. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe
and dislike.